Hello and welcome to our video on Boxer dog breed information. The Boxer is a well-known dog breed that originated in Germany. In this video, we will discuss various aspects of the breed that makes it worth learning about. History and physical characteristics. The Boxer breed dates back to the 19th century in Germany, where it was initially bred for hunting purposes. Boxers are medium-sized dogs with short, smooth coats that can be found in various colors such as fawn, brindle, and white. The breed is known for its distinctive, square-shaped head and strong, muscular build. Temperament. Boxers are known for their high energy levels and affectionate personalities. They are a playful and intelligent breed and require regular exercise and mental stimulation to prevent boredom. Boxers are generally friendly with people and make great family pets, but early socialization is essential to prevent aggressive behavior towards other dogs. Health. Boxers are prone to certain health issues, including hip dysplasia, heart conditions, and cancer. Regular vet checkups and a healthy diet are essential to prevent and manage these health issues. Exercise and activity requirements. Boxers require daily exercise and physical activity to maintain their physical and mental health. They enjoy activities such as running, hiking, and playing fetch. Boxers are not well suited for apartment living and require a large yard or open space to run and play. Living environment. Boxers are adaptable to various living environments but require enough space to move around and play. They can tolerate moderate temperatures but do not do well in extreme heat or cold. Grooming and maintenance. Boxers have short, smooth coats that require minimal grooming. They do shed moderately and require regular brushing and occasional bathing. Boxers also require regular dental care and ear cleaning to prevent infections. Other considerations. Boxers have a life expectancy of around 10-12 years and require early socialization and training to prevent behavior problems. They are known for their loyalty and protective nature towards their owners and make excellent guard dogs. To summarize, the Boxer breed is a loyal, intelligent, and energetic dog that requires regular exercise and socialization. They are prone to certain health issues but can live long and healthy lives with proper care. If you are considering adding a Boxer to your family, be prepared to provide plenty of exercise and love to this wonderful breed. Thank you for watching.